Hello! So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the Megaminx. So, the problem about the Megaminx is that it seems like a whole new puzzle that has so many sides. It's got 12 freaking sides, and you don't know how to solve it. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the menacing Megaminx. That's what I like to call it. Now, what I want to do in this is I'm going to teach you all the steps for me, myself, and Pi's method, which is the white side, what I like to call the middle layer, which is every side but the gray side, and then the gray side. So, those are the 3 steps. This is basically just a shape mod for the 3x3. So, what you do, first, all I have to do is mix it up. Okay, so once you mixed it up, you want to have the white side up. So what you need to do is first solve all the edges. So put an edge in place, put it at its center. Get another edge in place, put it in its center. And just keep doing this in any sort of fashion you like. So I'm just solving it how I see it. So there's a way I can put that in. There. So I solved the white star. Now what I need to do is solve the entire white side. So just do that until you have solved the white side, which I'm nearly finished. I just have a few pieces left. Now, in my opinion, this is probably the hardest part of the Megaminx, since there's pieces scattered all over the cube. So what you need to do is you just have to solve the white side. So there you go. I'm going to move on to the next step. So, what you want to do next is solve these edges. So what you want to do is you want to get an edge, and rather than just doing that and putting it in place, what you want to do is turn the piece away from the side the top of it is supposed to be on. So turn this piece away from the red side. Now turn the side it's supposed to be on up, so turn the red side up. Now turn toward the side it's supposed to be on. Turn the side it's supposed to be on down. Turn it toward it again until it's on top of it. Turn the side it was originally on up. Turn it away from the side it's supposed to be on, and then down. So there you go. I don't know how to explain this, because notations are kind of weird for it. So, what you want to do next is get another piece. So there's one, and there, piece in place. And I'm just going to keep doing this until I've solved all of those pieces. Okay, so now once you've done that, you want to put the next layer on. So there's an edge for the next layer, and I have it all connected. Now I need the pink, red, and blue corner. So there it is, and I can just move it into place. So there. And then you just have to put in the pink and red edge. Let me find that. And there we go. And now to put the next thing in, so we'll have the green and blue edge, light green and blue. So there's the light green and blue. There it is in place. Now we need the green, yellow, and blue corner. So there it is. And just put it in place. I just did a sledgehammer if you saw that. So now we want to put the yellow and light green corner, not corner, edge in place. So let's find it. There it is. And then bang, that's in place. Now we need the pink, blue, and green. There it is. And we need the pink and green edge. It's already in place for us to start the algorithm. And there you go. We're going to do that for every other side except for gray. Now, quick tip for the last piece. To put those edges in place, you're going to mess this up. So how to prevent that? Turn this side up and act as if this is the piece for that side. So that's just a quick tip. So now, I'm going to finish solving that side, and I'm going to cut really quick and come right back. Okay, so now you come across one of 3 situations. Actually 4. You'll have this pattern that looks like an arrow, or you'll have this star pattern, or you'll have this weird 3-point thing, or last but not least, you'll just have one correct corner. So, I'll teach you how to solve each of these to get that 5-pointed star. So first, you'll put this on the left. So this is going to be the left, this is going to be the back left, back right, right, front. So you'll do front, right, up, right prime, up prime, front prime. So, then for the next thing, for this 3-pointed star, what you'll do is you're going to put the points in the back 3 segments. Now, you'll do the same algorithm. Front, right, up, right prime, front prime, up prime. Not up prime, front prime. So, I messed up there. Now, for this last one with the point, you're going to put it right there, how it has it, and then you're going to do that algorithm again. So then, I have the star. I'm going to teach you the next bit now. So, now what you need is, you need to find that star. Now, you'll either have one correct piece, you'll have 2 correct pieces with them on the opposite sides of each other. So, you can also have all 5 pieces correct, which is really good, actually. Then you'll skip this entire segment. Or you'll have 2 right next to each other, which I don't seem to have in this configuration. So, to have them with one in, you'll need one in the back right and one in the front correct piece. So now you'll do up, over, down, over, up, over, down. That's what I like to call it. And then, once you have 2 correct, you can do that. Up, over, down, over, up, over, down. And now you'll do it one more time, because not all the pieces are correct. That real algorithm with the notations is right, up, right prime, up, right, U2, right, prime. Okay, so now once you have all that solved, now you'll have to find one correct corner. Doesn't matter what rotation it's on. So, do I have any? No. So now, what I'll do is, this is the next algorithm you'll need to know. This is going to be my left, and this is going to be my right. And this is going to be up. So, you'll do left, prime, up, right, up, left prime, up, right prime, up. Or not just up, it's up and up prime, if you know what I mean. So this is up prime. So now let's see if we have any correct pieces. Do we? Not any more still. Let's try again. Still none. Wow, this is kind of sad. Okay, let's try another way of doing it. You do up, up, over, down, over, down, back, down. Any? Why can't I find? There's one. So, what you want that corner the closest to you. So now, you'll do that algorithm. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, up prime. So there. Now we have 2 pieces correct. Put them one facing you and one close to you, but on your right. So then you'll do that algorithm again. So then you should have that all solved. If you have a piece correct here and there, then you'll do up, up, over, up. You get the picture. So, once you have this, I believe, right, now you put any corner facing you. Now, you'll turn it so that there's a flat side facing you. Now you'll do right, down prime, right prime, down, until that piece is solved. And don't forget that last down move. Then you rotate the top layer, do it again, until all the pieces are solved. So, make sure you twist the top and do that last D move. So, I'm almost done solving the Megaminx. And if you followed this all correctly, you should be done solving your own Megaminx. So, there you have it. So, if you need help, just comment, and I'll try and answer your question. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.